How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video will be a mail call, and then the second part of the video is just going to be a kind of a flashback build or a old build. Some people call it a throwback, some people call it a classic rewind. Chris calls it classic rewind. Mike calls it a throwback Thursdays. Of course, this ain't Thursday. Uh, I don't know what to call it. It's just an old build, and actually, this is for Xavier from Xavier Model Cars, or models, I mean. And me and him, we're gonna have a buddy build after me and Seamus finishes our buddy build, our GT40s, and that's a good ways out. But so until we can get to our Formula One builds, I was going to show him an old Formula One that I built probably close to 30 years ago. I can't remember exactly when. It's a good 25, 30 years ago. I know, I can't remember. But before we get started on that, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my old subscribers, and all the new subscribers that's just come on. Thank you very much. And then too, I haven't got much done this week. I haven't. I'm really behind on videos, and I hate to apologize for that, guys. There's a bunch of your videos that's come out today and yesterday that I've not gotten caught up on, and I'm gonna try Monday, hopefully, to sit down and get caught up on a bunch of videos. But I am very, very far behind. Y'all all know the reason. My wife was in the hospital here for a few days and this and that, and I've gotten behind because of that, and then just a lot of things going on, and too, and then my mom, she passed away about 8 months ago or so, back in November, and we're finally got around to burying her, scattering her ashes, and we had a ceremony today and stuff, and so y'all guys got to understand, I just haven't been able to really be on YouTube and comment and make videos and stuff. So just bear with me and everything. It's been kind of a rough time here lately, but I am thinking about all y'all, and I will get caught up. And Tom, Mr. Rambler 69, Monday I will start making your molds for you, brother. Okay, so with that being said, first part of this video, let me move this out of the way. I've got to thank my buddy Jeff. Old Jethro from 48 Jethro 79. And of course, I've had this shop car for a while, and this is not what I'm thanking him for, I've done giving him a shout out for that, but there's his beautiful car. That's his actual car he owns. Man, that thing's beautiful. 48 Ford, flathead V8, white wall tires. Man, the patina on it, you just can't get no better than that. But with that being said, that's what I'm doing here is, Jeff contacted me here a while back and asked me if I would like to have some Datsun 510 and pickup shop manuals. And I said, why, sure, that's always good to have over, because he knows I'm into foreign cars. I got MGs and this and that, but I also love the old Datsuns and stuff. I said, sure, I'll take them. Look at this. Look at this old manual. 68 through 72, 510 and pickups. That thing is awesome. Good reference in here, I just love stuff like this. I got a bunch of old shop manuals. I got some Vega and Pinto and all kinds of stuff. But he gave me that one. And then another one right here. And that's right there. See, owner's manual right there for 510 and pickups. See right there. 510 series, 13, 14, 16, 1600 SSS. Y'all know what that is. That's Bluebird right there. And 68 through 72. Look at that. Very cool. Jeff, I want to thank you very much for these. And then here's one for the pickup. Now, it ain't got the front cover on it, but you can see right here, 1980 Datsun pickup. Jeff, thank you very much. I can't thank you enough. I love stuff like this. It'll go out in my shop. And anytime if I'm building a 510 or something, I can also go back and reference that. Thank you very much, Jeff. Let me move these out of the way. All right. And like I said, this is the old box right here. You know, I keep my boxes a lot of times. But this is the old Honda F1 RA272. And this is a 120 scale. And like I said, I built this long time. Let's see what the year is on this box. 1996. So that's probably about the time I got it. Right there you can see the side box art right here. But let's move this out of the way and bring the model in here. Now this model here, like I said, it's been built. It's been a long time. And like I said, here it is. It's the white on it is starting to turn yellow. It's been in the case or in my display cabinet, I guess. And it's got dust on it. The white's starting to turn. But I think somebody said if you set it out and set it in the sun or set it in the window, that white should come back. I really don't know. I haven't tried that, but I know it works for decals. I don't know. It might work for clear coat. Y'all can comment in the description below, but that's what's wrong with that right there. But you can see the dust. The decals are getting brittle. But let me give you all a little spin around here. I might have to take it off this and just show you a better picture of it. But that's a beautiful Honda though. I've always loved the Formula One cars, and like I said, me and Xavier, as soon as I get done with Seamus's buddy build from See My BMW, we're going to be doing Formula One cars. You can see, I don't know if I can get this in the light where you can see those wheels any better. Come with the gold letter tires. I painted the rims. I don't know if you can see, my lighting in here is terrible. I probably need more lighting. But let y'all see the interior of it if you can get it to focus down in there. I don't know if it'll focus. You can see the dust in there. See, that dust is a killer. I need to get that thing dusted. The little panel pops off here. You can see the motor right here, the engine. I wired it up. Man, I don't even remember. That's been so long ago, but I got it all wired. Everything's wired on it. You can see the suspension. Look at you can see kind of like cobwebs and dust, I think, from being in there so long. Here's the underneath. There's really not a lot to it. These models are very detailed, but just not a lot of parts really. And it's a TAMIYA kit. They fit together like no other. But I would take this front off, but I'm afraid I'll break it if I do because it's been so long. And I'll have the radiator under here, and it just shows the front suspension. I think the front suspension still turns. Look at that. Wheels still turn. Well, that ain't turning very good like this one is. Yeah. I'm afraid to do any turning because I'm afraid to break that, guys. So I'm not going to do much turning. But like I said, that's an old build. You can see that white. I don't know if it's the clear coat or the white or a combination of both. But it's just a fading. Let me get out here and show you. Go around circles on this right here before you get it out here. But y'all guys, just tell me what you think about it. Leave it in the comments below. I'll leave a description for Jeff and Xavier. Y'all go check their channels out. And like I said, I'm sorry I'm behind, and I'll try to get caught up. Like I said, it's been hectic around my house. And too, it being summertime, having to mow grass and lots of other things, it's hard to sit down and get a video watch, but I'm going to. All right, with that being said, I'll give you all a little look around. And if you want, I'll probably leave some still pictures of it at the end. All right. Thank you guys. Bye.